Well, I'm going to try and fly the drone. I'm going to try and fly it over the top of the old hat factory here. I believe it was actually called the Britannia Mill, and it closed back in 1999, I believe. As you can see, it's in a bit of a state. Oh, that's the drone. So here we go. Right, let's record. Should be recording now. Hopefully I've got it working now. Always got a job to see what I'm doing out here. Right. Yeah. It is recording as well. I was pointing the wrong way. Here we go. Right. Yeah. See where it is. Go the wrong way. So as I'm flying up over the top of the building right now, I have to keep looking down at this and looking at that. I'm trying to record, as you can probably guess, both the camera and the drone. Have a little look around from up here. You can see there's the canal, look, and then we come back around over the top of the building now. Yeah, this is where the wall came down. We can come down a little bit and have a little closer look at that. Yeah, we'll see. Rather a disaster on the roof, isn't it? Yeah, it's no wonder it collapsed. Well, that's it for this week's little video on a Wednesday. As I say, I recorded and did everything of that all from 1 o'clock today, and I'm trying to get it at 4. So that's why it's so short. I wanted to do a live stream tonight, but that's not going to happen because the internet here is just not good enough. So hopefully I'll have a video for you on Saturday. Not sure about that yet, because I've got to get that recorded and uploaded too. But that just leaves me to say thank you very much for watching. Trevor out.